And now for the halftime show, para po natin malaman at kusang mas makilala ang Mapua Cardinals, panoorin po natin ito.
Breakthrough season ang naging kwento ng Mapua noong season 91. Muling nakaakyat sa Final Four ang mga Cardinals pagkatapos ng 5 taon. Ngayon, humaharap ang Mapua sa hamon na muling makapasok sa finals at maiuwi ang season 92 NCAA Championship.
Allwell Oraime.
Actually, yung preparation namin since natapos ang season last year, after a month, we were already back practicing. Actually, we were able to get into Final Fours the last time because na-realize ng mga players as long they're going to follow our system, we have a pretty good chance of winning games.
Leading the Cardinals is the veteran guard, CJ Isip.
Well, I'm just trying to lead by example, and I'm trying to be more vocal and hands-on with the guys. So we pretty much lost guys through all positions, 1 through 5. We lost Andretti Stevens, Josan Nimes, and so we just needed other guys to step up, and these guys are up for the challenge.
Inaasahan ding makakatulong sa squad ay ang returning forward na si Joseph Eriobu.
Ang mabibigay ko lang sa team is 100% na effort ko and then pagiging veterano ko para madala ko rin yung mga rookies namin.
Pero all eyes will be on the reigning Rookie of the Year and MVP na si Allwell Oraime. Dinominahan ni Oraime ang liga, averaging 16.3 points at 10.3 sa rebounds.
Look out below! Allwell Oraime throws it down!
Yeah, I'm very much aware of the fact that people are a little bit more tough on me right now than they were last year, but it's something I have to embrace and look forward to. It's still all the same, the rebounding, the intensity, the block shots. That's what I bring to the team, and that's what I intend to keep doing. So this year, what we're trying to focus on is trying to get the championship, and that's been the goal.
Dala ang magandang momentum, asahan ang mas mataas na paglipad ng Mapua Cardinals ngayong NCAA Season 92.
Talagang sobrang exciting ngayon ang season para sa mga Mapua Cardinals dahil hindi lang silang may mga bagong miyembro na 6 rookies, meron din 2 pumabalik na bagong miyembro. Kaya ngayon, ano ang pinaka-aabangan nyo sa pagbabalik ng NCAA? Don't forget to use the hashtag NCAA Season 92. And guys, huwag kayo mahiya. Just tweet us your answers at baka ma-share namin yan sa inyo on air. Kaya huwag kayo bibitaw, magbabalik ang NCAA.
Balik po tayo dito sa ABS-CBN Sports and Action. Nasa halftime break po tayo. Lamang pa rin ang JRU kontra dito sa Mapua Cardinals 38-36. And let's take a look at our halftime statistics. Migs, ano ba nangyari dito sa ating first half?
Well, it's just really a feel-out ball game para sa parehong kumpunan. Ito nga, di kita ng ating laban. Una, lumamang ang JRU pero nakahabol kagad itong Mapua Cardinals. As we can see, itong ating halftime stats. Mas maganda ang field goal percentage itong JRU, 51 kontra 35%. And mas maraming beses naman pumunta sa free throw line itong Mapua, already making 8 free throws kumpara lamang sa 2 ng JRU Heavy Bombers. Pero ito nga, fast break points, mas nananaig para dito sa Mapua. Binabato lang ni Allwell Oraime. Once again, the rebound, tumatakbo lang itong mga gwardya ng Mapua, already with 11 fast break points. Pero naman, sa bench points, nakakabawi itong JRU, already with 16. And nakanguna nga itong si Gio Lasqueti, Paolo Ponteos, Paulo Evardo, and Ervin Grospe.
Ito, marami ang gumawa para sa parehong kumpunan at kumbaga may bawi doon ang Mapua dito sa field goal percentage ng JRU. Pero ito, let's take a look at the leading scorers of our games. Mapua with Allwell Oraime 11 points, CJ Isip 10 points, Victoria surprisingly has 6 points in his ball game. Nagpaparamdam dito sa NCAA Season 92. At Tay Teodoro with 11 points for the JRU Heavy Bombers. 5 for Jordan De La Paz at 4 points para dito kay Paolo Pontejos.
Well, maganda nga pinapakita kaagad itong si Victoria for the Mapua Cardinals. He started for Coach Atoy's team already with 6 points. Ito nga si Tay Teodoro already with 11 points at 3 points kaagad. And nice backdoor cut nitong si Teodoro para makakuha kanyang 11 points.
Pero Mix, meron pa tayong abangan dito si Paolo Pontejos. 4 points pa lang dito sa ating ball game. Hindi pa sumasabog yung other half netong Blast Brothers. Diba Mix?
Totoo yun. Ito nga, we can't wait for Paolo Pontejos para bumomba na at to contribute more para sa scoring load ng JRU.
At ito, magbabalik po kami para sa second half nitong laro natin sa NCAA Season 92. Second game po ito ng opening day, JRU against Mapua. Magbabalik po tayo dito sa ABS-CBN Sports and Action. Dito sa NCAA Season 92, right here on ABS-CBN Sports and Action. Ito, magsisimula na po ang ating third quarter. JRU against Mapua. Lamang pa rin po ang JRU Heavy Bombers 38-36. Tignan natin Mix kung makakabawi itong Mapua Cardinals kontra dito sa JRU. Siyempre 2 points lang to. Kayang-kaya itong habulin. Kumbaga sinasabi nila, diba? Kayang-kaya itong habulin itong lead na to. Especially with how they're playing right now.
Well, for Mapua, they're really not giving an inch kahit lumalamang na itong JRU na malaki. They're really making sure na makakabawi sila sa kanilang opensa.
At ito, CJ Isid setting the table para dito sa Mapua Cardinals, pero Darren Menina couldn't handle it. Balik tayo sa kabila, Jordan De La Paz. Natawagan doon ng offensive foul. Itong si Jordan De La Paz.
Well, gandang drive sana ni Jordan De La Paz, pero CJ Isid sacrificing his body to take that charge. So talagang buwis-buhay ito si CJ Isid, really, exemplifying that leadership role. He will really give up his body to make plays for his team.
Ito naman, ganyan nakukuha ng Mapua yung kanilang maraming tira, maraming free throws. Kasi, that's diba sa halftime, despite having a 51% field goal percentage, konti lang ang lamang nitong JRU.
Well, dahil nga sa kanilang depensa itong Mapua, nakakuha sila ng stops. Right away, nakakabawi sila doon.
Tignan natin kung makakabawi dito ang Mapua. Exhibiteng, nasa kay Isid. CJ Isid, naghahanap ng mga binigay kay Biteng. Oraime down low. Meron yung foul against the JRU Heavy Bombers.
Well, if you're in the defense of JRU, Martin, alam mong hindi ganong kahasa ang post-game itong si Oraime. Importante lang just to play good defense. So, hindi mo kailangang sabitan. Pero nga, that shot didn't look like it was going in. Pero fortunately for Oraime, nakasumabit doon ang mga kamay ni Abdul Wahab.
Abutan. Ito, tignan muna natin ang ating mga fans sa social media. According to Isor Rudy, kung intense ang finals week, paano pa ang opening ng NCAA Season 92 para sa Mapua? Viva Mapua! At according to Reyna Sexy again, inaabangan ko talaga yung kakaibang tres ni Tay Teodoro. Malaki Thompson daw talaga, partner. Mabuhay Rizal, NCAA Season 92. According to Rihanna Mullen, ang intense ng laban, na-miss ko manood ng games. Go Cardinals! Kaya yan! Hashtag NCAA Season 92. At ito, babalik ang bola dito sa Mapua Cardinals. Kita mo naman yung defensive set ni Coach Verhel Meneses applying the press dito sa ating third quarter. Kay Isid, naghahanap ng kampe sa Flores. Menina, alley-oop! To Oliver Oraime with a monster stop.
Grabe yung alley-oop doon. Nagulat ako doon, partner. Napakagandang tak-tak doon mula kay Oraime.
Hindi mo alam kung ilalob ba ni Darren Menina, pero nilob niya yun.
Kala ko, titira niya eh.
Titira niya, pero dire-diretso dito kay Oliver Oraime for that stop. At ito na nga, yung mga ganung mix, that could be a momentum changer for this particular game.
We can take a look at this instant replay. Good job by Darren Menina. And then ilalab na talaga.
Yan, partner.
Sa positioning pa lang ni Menina. Good pass there. And dahuli doon ang depensa. Walang nagawa si Gio Lasqueti. Kundi tingnan na lang at pagmasdan ang napakagandang tak-tak ni Olwell Oraime.
Kung ikaw rin yung taga-depensa ni Olwell Oraime, titignan mo na rin lang yung kanyang alley-oop na yon. Pero ito, Tay-Tay Teodoro with a steal and a score on the other end para dito sa JRU Heavy Bombers. Tay-Tay Teodoro now with 13 points in the ball game. Exhibiteng, Midiskarte. Traveling ang itatawag dito kay Exhibiteng. At ito, let's turn over muna sa ating third member of our broadcast team, si Sarah Carlos. Sarah?
Alright, so I'm here right now with Ronnie Meneses, the daughter of Coach Berhel. Alright, Ronnie, how are you?
Okay naman, sobrang kinakabahan sa game.
Okay, so may mga tanong ko sa'yo. First of all, kamusta naman si Coach prior to opening day?
Surprisingly, sobrang kalmado lang siya. Like, I didn't feel any pressure naman or like nervousness coming from him.
Right. And last but not least, win or lose, ano ang gagawin niya as a family after the game?
Kakain. Like, kahit ano mangyari, kakain kami sa labas.
Alright, so thank you so much, Ronnie. Let's get back to game. Back to you, Martin and Migs.
At ito, salamat sa iyo, Sarah. Ito, tabla na ulit tayo, Migs. This is our fourth deadlock of this ball game. Nabanggit to ng anak ni Coach Berhel Meneses na he's always calm, pero ito nagpapakita na siya ng emosyon dahil tumitindi na yung laro natin dito sa Mall of Asia Arena.
Well, pinakamagandang sinabi doon ni Ronnie, syempre kakain sila pagkatapos ng laro. Nakakagutom talaga, lalo na pag ganito yung actions na nawi-witness mo, tikita ng laban, syempre nakakagutom yan. And hopefully, papuntang fourth quarter talagang tiktikan ang labanan dito between Mapua and JRU.
At as we take a look at Darren Menina, being held to the bench by his teammates. Of course, we don't like to see players going down this early or going down at all dito sa NCAA 92. Mamaya makiki-update tayo kay Sarah Carlos para sa kondisyon nito ni Darren Menina as he has continued. He's being held to the locker room right now or to the bench by Mapua. As we see Darren Andrew Estrella drains that three-pointer, lamang na po ng tatlo itong Mapua Cardinals.
This might be the stretch, this lead that Mapua needs para medyo makasecure sila ng kalamangan.
And to make so far, the third quarter, Mapua came strong with probably the adjustments that was made by Coach Ateko. At ito, tignan muna natin kung ano nangyari dito kay Darren Menina.
Na medyo partner na patin siya doon, inadvertently unforced. Nakita nga natin medyo talagang nag-twist ang kanyang ankle. Sana naman hindi malala para kay Shane Menina.
Hope all is well para dito kay Darren Menina as we see Abdul Wahab score underneath 43-42. Tanong pa rin po ang Mapua dito ng isa sa ating third quarter. 6:39 remaining dito sa ating third quarter mix. Tignan natin ang play dito kanina. Abdul Wahab following up the miss by Tay-Tay Teodoro. Almost an alley-oop also. Kasi medyo naiba yung tira doon ni Tay-Tay Teodoro.
Parang improvised alley-oop doon mula kay Tay-Tay. Kita nga natin he was supposed to fish for that foul pero buti na lang nag-landing sa mga kabayan nitong si Abdul Wahab.
At ito, tignan natin kung makakabawi itong JRU. Andrew Estrella now at the free throw line, shooting 2 free throws para dito sa Mapua Cardinals. Pumasok na rin ulit dito si Paolo Pontejos. Let's see kung sasabog siya dito sa larong to, dito sa second half. Dahil 4 points nga lamang ang ginawa niya nung first half.
Wala, hindi pa nga natin nakikita, Martin, no, magsabay itong Blast Brothers. Itong si Tay Teodoro and Paolo Pontejos. Perhaps part of the game plan para kay Coach Berhel.
As we take a look at Andrew Estrella stealing that ball. But Mendoza stealing the ball back para dito sa JRU Heavy Bombers. Action pong laro natin against these two teams who are very familiar with each other.
Well, Martin, no, napansin ko dito sa Mapua, especially kay Andrew Estrella, nakakuha siya ng stocks. Pero at the same time, turnover naman din niya.
At ito, let's turn over. Ito, Andrew Estrella. Dire-diretso doon.
Nakabawi ito si Andrew Estrella with that layup to extend their lead to 3.
As you see, Jonathan Mendoza draw the foul against Mapua. It will be against J.R. Flores. Eto, let's turn over again our attention to our third member of broadcast team, si Sarah Carlos. Sarah?
Alright, Martin. So kasalukuyang pinapagaling ngayon si Menina dahil siya ay nagkaroon ng isang ankle sprain. Ngunit dati niya pa itong injury, kaya makakabalik naman siya sa game in no time. Back to you, Martin.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Sarah Carlos. Yung ankle sprain ang nasustain neto ni Daryl Menina. Pero it looks like he's gonna top it out dito sa ating laro. As we see, Ortina puts up the three, no good. Abdul Wahab with a strong rebound. Gio Laschetti now handing the ball for the Heavy Bombers. Ito, Abdul Wahab, hinahanap itong si Paolo Pontejos, pero may bantay doon. Mendoza for the jumper, that is short. Tumatakbo itong si Victoria Oraime, another alley-oop. May kasama bang foul? Ay, walang foul pala din, partner. Walang foul na tinawag.
I thought I heard the whistle also, kaya akala natin foul doon. Pero again, another lob pass para dito kay Oraime. Just running down the floor. Pagka-rebound talaga tumatakbo ito si Olwell.
At etong si Jonathan Mendoza, very aggressive in this ball game. This third quarter, partner. Nakakadalawang draw na siya ng foul off the drive para dito sa JRU. At ito, meron po tayong timeout. Here in this game, lamang pa rin po ang Mapua Cardinals 47-43. Magbabalik po kami dito sa NCAA Season 92 here on ABS-CBN Sports and Action. Balik tayo dito sa ABS-CBN Sports and Action for the live coverage of the NCAA Season 92 as we see our fans right here at the Mall of Asia Arena dito sa ating Smile Your On Cam segment.
Well, medyo hindi na nga smiles yung nakikita natin dahil medyo may halong kaba na. Dahil nga umaating po ang ating aksyon. Talagang di kita ng laban all throughout this ball game, partner.
Bigs, both running teams so far, yung parehong takbuhan ang nakikita natin sa parehong kupunan. Both high-energy teams also. Kaya medyo, sabihin natin na medyo high-scoring itong ball game natin, partner.
Well, dahil nga nagtatakbuhan sila up and down the floor, no? So what that Olwell Oraime can do, he can block shots, he can take those rebounds. At the same time, siya pa yung tatakbo. Biruin mo, Martin, center na, siya pa yung tumatakbo. So what for yung kanyang mga kakaping guards?
Sabi nga, dapat yung mga tumatakbong big men, nire-rewardan mo yan. Diba, babalik mo sa kanila for the score. Kasi bihira nga sa mga big men natin ang tumatakbo in transition para gumawa ng plays. As we see Jonathan Mendoza at the free throw line. Ito si Jonathan Mendoza, medyo aggressive siya dito sa ating third quarter. Creating plays for himself and just, taking it to the hoop here in the third quarter. Kaya naman nakarami siya ng kuha ng foul dito para sa JRU.
Well, maganda nga hugot ito si Jonathan Mendoza. Hindi mo siya kailangan ibabatak matagal. Dedepensa siya. He will do the little things for your team. Ito na nga, sending his team to the foul line.
Ito, Andrew Estrella. Diskarte para sa Mapua. Crossover, spin move. Dire-diretso. Wala yun. Offensive rebound, Oraime. Wala pa rin. Scramble for the ball. Nakuha nito ni Abdel Utucci. Pero tatawagan siya doon ng traveling. At babalik ang bola dito sa Mapua Cardinals.
Well, for both teams, no, Martin, they just have to take care of the ball better. Marami nga tayong nakitang possessions na. Kumbaga, gito na, nagiging bato pa because of their turnovers as Andrew Estrella already has 5. So, importante lang, coming into the late stretch of this ball game, kailangan nang hawakan nila yung bola ng maigi.
Ano ka dyan, partner? Ito, let's see if they can take care of the basketball more. Dito, right on cue, partner. Turnover ulit para dito sa Mapua Cardinals. Andrew Estrella ulit yun.
Well, Andrew Estrella already with 6 turnovers. Pero hindi masyadong nakakapitalize ito ng Heavy Bombers as they only have 4 points of turnovers. Pero ito namang Mapua, meron ng 18. The living off para sa kanilang opensa itong Mapua.
Yan nga, isa sa mga bagay na kailangan nating tutukan dito. And kailangan din gawin ng parehong teams is to convert the points of turnovers, mga plays off turnovers. Katulad nito, Victoria with another layup para dito sa Mapua.
The good look by Andrew Estrella. He threaded the needle on that pass as Paulo Ponteos makes that jump shot for 6 points. Good playmaking ability by Estrella.
Estrella, coast to coast, draws the foul against JRU. Ito si Paulo Pontejos. Hopefully that starts his rhythm para dito sa JRU. Pero itong si Andrew Estrella just keep pushing the ball. Ito na coast to coast nga siya kanina para kuhanin ng foul dito sa JRU Heavy Bombers.
So ito nga si Andrew Estrella already with 6 points. 0 assists, but 2 steals but with 5 turnovers. Pero more than his stat sheet, yung impact, yung effectivity na on the other side na idadala niya, talagang na ipupush niya yung bola, nahahanap niya ang kanyang mga kakampi. And stretching for this 1-point lead. 1-point lead lamang.
This is both free throws. Paulo Pontejos. Natawagan ng foul doon. Etong si Victoria.
Ito si Victoria, partner. Pagkatapos niya lumay-up, medyo sumabit yung kanyang paa dun sa may ito sa signboard ng ABS-CBN.
Kaya ilalabas siya nito ni Coach Atoy ko. Ipapasok ulit si CJ Isit. Pero ang ganda ng nilalaro nito ni Victoria para sa Mapua.
Maganda. Sana hindi medyo seryoso ang kanyang injury. Nakita nga natin medyo tinatapik-tapik na yung kanyang angle. Pero sana nabugbog lang at hindi magtuloy-tuloy.
First, it was Menina. Second, it was Lawrence Victoria. The ball is well for them. Pero ito tuloy ang action natin. Andrew Estrella with another turnover para sa Mapua.
Already with 6 turnovers, Estrella unforced that time. Napalakas lang ang pasa ni CJ Isit.
Ito si De La Virgen. Di pa nagpaparamdam dito sa ating ball game. Nahanap si Putucci against Olwell Oraime at the post. Oh, nice pass para dito kay Irvin Grospe. Nice pass from Abdel Putucci.
Silang muntik nang nawala doon ang bola sa mga kamay ni Putucci. Natapik ni Estrella. Pero napakagandang hanap doon from Putucci to Grospe.
Nice cut. Ito yung sinasabi natin kanina na moving without the ball. Ito mga big man ni Coach Verhel Meneses at saka mga athletic din sila.
Well, importante lang naman doon talaga movement without the ball. Importante lang na hindi ka nakatayo sa isang spot. Ito ang ginagawa ni Grospe. Patuloy lang na gumagalaw and he is being rewarded for these buckets.
Hustle points para dito kay John Irvin Grospe as he makes the free throw. Apat na po ang kalamangan ng JRU, 52-48. JRU right now, partner, on a 7-0 run dito sa ating third quarter. Kaya naman nakuha nila ulit ang kalamangan. Biteng for 3, wala yun. Paulo Pontejos with the rebound.
Kailangan na mag-init itong mga gwardya ng Mapua. Paulo Pontejos on the opposite end, right on cue.
Pinabanda pa doon ni Paulo Pontejos yung 3 na ngayon. Ito na po ang kalamangan itong JRU. Biggest lead of this game for them.
Bukas nga ang bangko ngayong Sabado para kay Pontejos. Ito na nga as Paulo Pontejos scoring the 7th out of the last points para sa JRU. As we can see this 3-point shot right of the money. Back shot para kay Paulo Pontejos. Extends the lead to 7, partner.
Partner, Paulo Pontejos coming alive here in the third quarter. Narinig nga niya tayo na kailangan niyang gumawa dito sa ating third quarter kasi 4 points lang kung matatandaan natin siya kanina during the halftime. Pero ito, CJ Isit at the free throw line. Ito si CJ Isit.
CJ Isit already with 11 points.
Makes both free throws right there.
Sorry, make that 12 points rather, partner.
12 points for CJ Isit. 5 na lang ang lamang dito ng JRU. Putucci, naghahanap ng kakampi. Ito, paposte si Irvin Grospe against Justin Serrano. Kick out. De La Virgen for the jumper. Short. Oraime with that monster rebound para dito sa Mapua. Tinawagan dito ng foul si Jonathan Mendoza off that rebound ni Olwen Oraime. At ito, may timeout po tayo. Lamang pa rin ng JRU 55-50. Magbabalik po ang ABS-CBN Sports in Action here for the live coverage of the NCAA Season 92. And we are back here. At third quarter na po tayo. 2:38 remaining dito sa ating laro. JRU kontra sa Mapua. Lamang pa rin po ang Heavy Bombers 55-50. Live na live pa rin po tayo dito sa lungsod ng Pasay sa Mall of Asia Arena as we see our fans na sumusuporta dito sa kanilang mga eskwelahan, Migs.
Well, of course, at a very intense ball game. Kanina nga lumamang na Martin, no? Ng 7 puntos itong JRU, pero Mapua still keeps on fighting back. They have those opportunities from the line.
Eto, one of their key guys, si Olwell Oraime, makes that free throw. Oraime now has 18 points and 12 rebounds, partner. Usual day for Olwell Oraime.
Alam mo, si Olwell Oraime, kahit hindi Sabado, another day at the office. Ito, para kay Olwell Oraime. Usual numbers for him.
Paulo Ponteos, draining that jumper. May kasama pang foul dito against Mapua. Ito na nga. Take a look at that replay. Ponteos draining that.
Well, he rejected that pick from Abdel Potucci. He went the other way. Medyo nag-nudge lang siya ng konting elbow doon. And a good shot for Paulo Ponteos already. 10 points na siya ngayong third quarter.
Third quarter alone na. Total of 14 points para dito kay Paulo Ponteos. He has definitely come alive. Ito, Justin Serrano. Si Binuenas pa doon, si Justin Serrano. Broken play na yan, partner.
Buenas na buenas. Dapat para kay Eriobu yung pasang yun. Hindi na nasalo. Buti na lang, he was right there at the right place at the right time.
At ito, let's see if JRU can counter Ponteos. Short on that jumper. Menina, balik na pala dito si Menina sa ating ball game, partner.
Well, true enough, sabi nga ni Sarah kanina na makakabalik nga siya dito sa ating ball game as Eriobu fishes that foul from De La Virgen.
Ito si Eriobu. Big guy, pero meron din tong mid-range jumper tsaka shot from the outside, di ba, partner?
Yes, as we can see, ito nga si Eriobu. Kita nga natin dyan, nakita niya medyo mismatch. Sizing up his defender.
Nakita niya susundot itong si De La Virgen. Kaya, di ba, he took advantage of that and took the foul as we see Tay-Tay Teodoro on our screens.
Ito nga si Tay-Tay Teodoro with 13 points. Paulo Ponteos with 14 points. The usual guys, nakakana para sa Heavy Bombers.
Ito na, nabuhay na pareho yung Blast Brothers natin. Grospe naghahanap ng kakampi. De La Virgen. Malakas yung tira niya doon. Pero nakuha niya yung offensive rebound para dito sa JRU. De La Virgen. Laschetti. Underneath, ito si Grospe with Oraime with that tough contest against dito kay Irvin Grospe.
Well, credit Irvin Grospe's kanyang tapang sa loob. Nakita nga niya kahit doon si Oraime. He tried to make that shot. As always, Oraime hits a perimeter jump shot. You know kasi Irvin Grospe really doing things para sa JRU pero napakitang bawi nun para kay Olwell Oraime.
Ito si Oraime showing his off-season work. Nagbubunga na yung shooting drills niya doon. As we take a look at CJ Isid, takes that jumper. Rebounded by Putucci. Babalik po tayo sa kabilang dako. Ito. Olwell Oraime now with 19 points, 7 out of 13 from the field, partner.
Wala yun nga, sabi mo nga, his usual numbers, another day at the office para kay Olwell. Simpleng-simple lang ang basketball para dito sa aggressive si Olwell Oraime.
Ito nga, sinusubukan nila Putucci, Abdul Wahab, napigilan itong si Olwell Oraime ngayong araw na to. Ito may tawag against Paulo Ponteos. Nasa penalty na po itong JRU Heavy Bombers with 24 seconds left here in the third quarter. Migs, close game pa rin tayo, 58-57, lamang pa rin lang isa na lang ang lamang nitong JRU.
Well, ito nga, JRU's been really doing good, especially kay Paolo Ponteos, pero at the same time, hindi pumapayag itong Mapua. Siyempre, namalamangan ng malaki as a CJ East is really contributing on the defensive end. Lawrence Victoria with 8 points already. Allwell Oraime, usual 20 points and 14 rebounds. Pero importante lang para sa Mapua Cardinals just to make their free throws kasi nga, marami silang opportunities from that line. As we can see, assistant coach Jolly Escobar.
Ito na nga, nag-capitalize na nga itong Mapua Cardinals sa kanilang free throw shooting as CJ Gisit makes both of his free throws right there. Balik ang lamang dito sa Mapua, 59-58. 22 seconds remaining. Free throws natin, 17 out of 26 para dito sa Mapua. Heavy Bombers, 9 out of 12. Kitang-kita mo yung malaking diferensya dito sa free throw shooting natin.
Well, plus 8 ang Mapua doon sa free throw line.
5 seconds left. Butucci naghahanap ng kakampi. Wala yun para dito sa JRU. That is the end of our third quarter. Lamang pa rin po. Lamang na ang Mapua Cardinals dito, 59-58. Masyadong ma-action po itong ating third quarter. Courtesy of that dunk at alley-oop from Oraime. At itong meron ding alley-oop itong si Abdul Wahab. Magbabalik po tayo dito sa ABS-CBN Sports and Action. Pagbalik po natin, fourth quarter na tayo dito sa laban ng JRU Heavy Bombers kontra sa Mapua Cardinals.
To watch the latest game highlights, subscribe to ABS-CBN Sports and Action YouTube channel.
Yeah.